Welcome. My name is Oshrat Nir, and today I'll be guiding you through strategies for enhancing the security of your Kubernetes clusters. Let's examine why implementing these strategies is crucial and explore the associated benefits, risks, and other important considerations. You've probably all heard that Kubernetes is the leader in managing and orchestrating containerized applications. But let's dive deeper into the security aspect. Securing a Kubernetes cluster involves protecting data, maintaining application integrity, and meeting compliance needs, all to preserve customer trust. In today's digital age, security is not an option, it's a necessity. So let's look at what you can do to enhance the security of your Kubernetes clusters. Recognizing risks is key to security. In Kubernetes, these include misconfigurations, CVEs, and unauthorized access. These risks can lead to data breaches, service disruptions, and other serious issues, such as running unauthorized software, like crypto miners. But don't worry. With the right tools and strategies, you can effectively manage and mitigate them. Now that we understand the risks, let's discuss the strategies to enhance Kubernetes security. First, limit access rights to the essentials. Second, ensure the security of your software supply chain. Third, routinely scan your cluster and related components for vulnerabilities. This proactive approach prevents potential exploits. Other best practices include hardening the Kubernetes control plane and nodes. Also, implement network policies for pod traffic and use namespaces for workload isolation and enhanced security. Let's explore the strategy of enforcing least privilege access. It means limiting rights for users, apps, and vital resources to the bare minimum. It lessens the impact of a breach by restricting intruder access. It's like giving a key to one room instead of the entire building, thus ensuring critical resources stay isolated in case of a breach. Next, secure your supply chain by ensuring every component in an application development is safe. Modern coding often reuses elements like code libraries. It's crucial to scan these for misconfigurations and CVEs. It's like a production line where each part, from source code to deployment, is secure. Remember, a chain is only as strong as its weakest link. Lastly, regularly scan your cluster, images, and configurations for vulnerabilities. It's like a periodic health check for your Kubernetes cluster. It helps find and mitigate issues before exploitation. All this is part of an automated, continuous security monitoring strategy. Tailored for DevOps and platform engineers, this Kubernetes security platform simplifies enhancing cluster security. It offers automation and queues for DevOps teams to address high-risk issues quickly. It boosts their Kubernetes security expertise without the usual friction. It's as though each DevOps team member has a personal security expert guiding them, but in the form of a highly efficient tool. One of the key features of ARMO platform is its compliance capabilities. Scan your Kubernetes clusters using a vast library of controls based on the NSA, CIS, and other frameworks. Identify misconfigurations and get guidance on fixes. It's like having a personal tour guide through your security journey. ARMO platform is not just about compliance, it's about proactive security. One way it achieves this is by scanning container images for vulnerabilities and highlighting the most relevant ones. It lets you address issues before exploitation, similar to a security guard ignoring harmless things like toy guns. ARMO platform also provides an RBAC Investigator, letting you explore and visualize who can touch your cluster and how. It's like having a map of your cluster's access routes. ARMO platform scans for misconfigurations in repositories and vulnerabilities in container registries, enabling you to address issues before deploying to the cluster. Remember, Kubernetes is not secure by default. Best practices and risk management strategies are helpful, but limited without automation and Kubernetes native tools. By leveraging ARMO platform, you can always harden your Kubernetes clusters and ensure production-grade security. Sign up today to ARMO and start hardening your Kubernetes clusters.